Hello there. Today we'll be walking through an example of how to use Medullar's universal search tool to find your data securely and seamlessly across multiple platforms. Before we search, let's navigate to account settings located in the top right corner of our home screen to select and connect to Medullar. Medullar supports public, private, and paid data sources. So depending on the type of data source, you may be required to sign into your third-party account prior to connecting. Once we've activated all of the data sources we'd like to dive into, we'll scan through the list one last time and disable any connectors we won't be needing. For example, we don't need LinkedIn for this search. Now we're ready to search. In this example, we'll be searching for a colleague's name to access content for an upcoming meeting. Let's enter in our colleague's name and see what comes up. After running a low-latency search across multiple platforms, Medullar generates relevant results containing a variety of data types, including files, emails, tasks, and Slacks. For a deeper dive, simply click on a result to access and view your content in its original location. For example, our last meeting in the Calendar app, or the last meeting notes in Dropbox. With Medullar, the options are limitless depending on the connectors you plug. Medullar. Search once, find everything.